1. Afghanistan. Comes from the Afghan people, the main ethnic group in the region. It literally means land of the Afghans, showing who has historically lived there. 2. Albania. Named after the ancient tribe called Albanoi. This tribe once lived in the area, giving the country its identity. 3. Algeria. Takes its name from the capital, Algiers. Algiers comes from the Arabic al-Jazair, meaning the islands. 4. Andorra. May come from the Arabic word al-Dura, meaning valley. It reflects the location high in the Pyrenees Mountains. 5. Angola. Derived from the title Angola, used by ancient kings. This title became the name of the country over time. 6. Antigua and Barbuda. Named by Columbus after a church called Santa Maria de la Antigua. This gave the country its first letter A. 7. Argentina. Originates from the Latin word argentum, meaning silver. Early explorers believed the region had legendary silver mountains. 8. Armenia. Named after the ancient Arman tribe. This tribe has influenced the area for thousands of years. 9. Australia. Comes from Terra Australis, Latin for southern land. Early European mapmakers used this name long before it was fully explored. 10. Austria. Derived from Österreich, meaning Eastern Realm in German. It shows the location in Central Europe historically. 11. Azerbaijan. Named after Atropates, an ancient Persian governor. His name meant protected by fire, reflecting historical beliefs.